ACFix presents the ACFix tool 1232 to assemble sliding ring fittings and valves. The following video shows the assembly and disassembly of the tool and its correct use. The plastic box contains the instructions, the body of the assembly tool, the sliding shaft, the adapters and cradles, and the reducers for the different pipe diameters. Firstly, loosen the retainer screw until the ball of its end doesn't appear inside, as you can see in the image. Put the trigger as shown in the image. Then put the sliding shaft inside the body of the tool, pushing it firmly until its end reaches at least the position of the retainer screw. Then tighten the retainer screw until the ball of its end touches the sliding shaft. It is not necessary to tighten it too strongly. Then operate the lever until the sliding shaft enters more inside the body of the tool. Firstly, cut the pipe. The cut must be clean and perpendicular to the axis of the pipe, as you can see in the image. If the pipe is from a coil, straighten its end as much as possible. Place on the holder plates the reducers that correspond to the diameter of the pipe, except for the pipe of diameter 32 that is held directly by the holder plates. Place on the cradle support of the sliding shaft the cradle corresponds to the type of fitting to be assembled. Place on the cradle support of the body the cradle that corresponds to the diameter of the pipe to be assembled. The pipe must have, before the cradle support of the body of the tool, a length which can be enough for placing the ring. To work correctly, you have to leave a free length of the pipe that must be a few millimeters longer than the insert of the fitting. Close the holder plates by turning the crank downwards. Put the trigger in a closing position. It is very important to tighten the crank strongly to prevent the movement of the pipe. If it's necessary, help the insert of the fitting to enter inside the end of the pipe with the hand. Then operate the lever of the tool so it pushes the insert of the fitting into the pipe. Attention please, do not enter the insert completely into the pipe but just until the last groove. Lift the crank so the holder plates stop pressing the pipe. Operate the lever until the ring covers the pipe and reaches the fitting. Change the position of the trigger and operate the lever in order to open the tool. In the pipes of diameter 25 and 32, it's advisable to chamfer the internal part of the pipe end in order to ease the entry of the insert of the fitting into the pipe. We recommend using the ACFix chamfering and calibrating tool. When you have finished working, put the trigger as shown in the image. Then loosen completely the retainer screw and pull firmly the sliding shaft outside of the body of the tool. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us.